From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up to a boring alarm clock every morning? Well, I've got a game changer for you, the Alarm Clock Desk Living Room European Creative from JSELLPSGFGFDS. This stunning alarm clock is a wood finish masterpiece that will elevate your bedroom or living room decor. I mean, just imagine the warm, natural texture of the wood grain and the soft tick-tock sound of the sweep movement, it's so soothing. The glass mirror material adds a touch of elegance and sophistication, giving you a clear reflection to start your day. One of the things that sets this alarm clock apart is its ability to shape the taste space and advocate quality life. It's not just a time-telling device, it's a statement piece. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's a top-rated and best-seller. It's well-reviewed and popular among those who value style and functionality. The wooden finish is not only beautiful but also durable, and the sweep movement is quiet and smooth, providing a seamless time-telling experience. I love how it can decorate with a new style and adapt to a variety of scenarios, whether you're looking to add a touch of modernity or traditional charm to your space. In real life, this alarm clock is perfect for anyone who wants to add a bit of personality to their bedroom or living room, and its compact size makes it easy to place on any desk or shelf. Overall, the Alarm Clock Desk Living Room European Creative is a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their home decor and start their day off right, so why not give it a try and experience the difference for yourself? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.